Basic meaning in Yoruba language. Level 5. Asaho Utuwewi Uvu, that is bedroom, living room, bedroom. Lesson 2. The bedroom. Towel, Ukpaka. Soap, Oga. Bucket, Ikoroba. Toothbrush, Atu. Toothpaste, Ogarako. Sponge, Akure. Shower, Utwe. Mirror, Ugegbe. Comb, Ofeto. Bath mat, Ere. Thank you.